Hello, lovely viewers.
Welcome back to Previous Speaker, the channel where we delve into the art of thriving through life's challenges.
Today,
we have an essential guide for you on a topic that affects us all at some point: navigating turbulence, mastering difficult situations. Life throws curveballs at us, and it's crucial to know how to handle them with grace and resilience. So, let's dive right in. Number 1, stay calm and assess the situation. The first step when faced with a challenging situation is to remain calm. Take a deep breath and assess the situation objectively. Panic can cloud your judgment and hinder your ability to find a solution. Remember, challenges are opportunities in disguise. For example, imagine you're driving, and your car suddenly breaks down in the middle of nowhere. Instead of panicking, stay composed, and think about what could be wrong. Is it a flat tire, an overheated engine, or something else? Staying calm will help you make better decisions. Number 2, define the problem clearly. Once you're calm, it's time to define the problem clearly. Break it down into smaller components and identify the root cause. Understanding the problem is crucial for finding an effective solution. Let's say you're facing a deadline at work and your computer crashes. The clear problem here is a technical issue that's hindering your progress. Knowing this, you can focus on finding a solution rather than dwelling on the stress of the deadline. Number 3, brainstorm possible solutions. Now that you have a clear understanding of the problem, it's time to brainstorm potential solutions. Think creatively and consider all possible avenues. Don't dismiss any idea outright. Sometimes the most unconventional solutions are the most effective. Suppose you're hosting a virtual event, and your internet connection becomes unstable. Instead of canceling, you could use your mobile data as a backup, shift to audio-only mode, or ask a colleague to temporarily take over until your connection stabilizes. Number 4, evaluate and choose the best solution. After generating a list of solutions, it's time to evaluate their feasibility and potential outcomes. Choose the solution that aligns best with your values and long-term goals. Keep in mind that the best solution might require compromise or adaptability. If you're facing a financial crisis, you could consider taking a temporary part-time job to supplement your income. While it might not be ideal, it could help you get through the tough times while you work on a more sustainable solution. Number 5, take action and adapt. Now that you've selected a solution, it's time to take action. Implement your chosen strategy and be prepared to adapt if necessary. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes the situation might change, requiring you to tweak your approach. Suppose you're planning an outdoor event, but the weather turns bad. Instead of canceling, you could quickly relocate the event to an indoor venue, ensuring the show goes on without a hitch. Number 6, learn and grow. Once the difficult situation has been resolved, take a moment to reflect on what you've learned. Every challenge is an opportunity for personal growth and development. Use the experience to build resilience and improve your problem-solving skills. If you've faced a disagreement with a friend, reflect on what led to the conflict and how you could communicate better in the future. This self-awareness will enhance your relationships and your ability to handle similar situations down the road. Number 7, seek support. In times of difficulty, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Whether it's friends, family, or professionals, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network can provide valuable insights and emotional encouragement. For example, if you're feeling overwhelmed by the demands of work and personal life, consider discussing your situation with a mentor or a therapist. They can offer guidance and strategies to help you find balance. Number 8, practice self-care. Amidst challenging situations, self-care is essential to maintain your physical and mental well-being. Taking care of yourself allows you to approach difficulties with a clear mind and renewed energy. If you're facing a tough semester at college, ensure you're getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Self-care acts as a foundation for resilience. Number 9, focus on what you can control. Often, challenging situations involve factors beyond our control. To maintain a positive outlook, shift your focus to what you can influence. Redirecting your energy toward actionable steps can help alleviate feelings of helplessness. If you're dealing with a sudden job loss, you can't control the job market, but you can revamp your resume, network, and explore new opportunities. This approach empowers you to shape your future. Number 10, embrace the learning experience. Every difficult situation carries a lesson. Embrace the opportunity to learn from your experiences, no matter how tough they are. This mindset shift allows you to extract wisdom from adversity. If a business venture doesn't go as planned, use the experience to analyze what went wrong and what you can do differently next time. Failure is a stepping stone toward success. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide on navigating difficult situations with finesse and resilience. Remember, life's challenges are not roadblocks, they're stepping stones that lead us to growth and strength. By staying calm, defining problems, brainstorming solutions, and learning from each experience, you're equipped to face anything life throws your way. If you found this guide valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Previous Speaker for more empowering content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, let's learn from each other. Until next time, stay determined and face life's challenges head-on. Thank you for joining me on Previous Speaker.